with another video, and today's video is just gonna be a quick little beginner's tutorial on how I got my soft locks, my desired look. These are crocheted, and the reason I like crochet is because a lot of times doing regular braids and regular locks, they put a lot of tension on my edges and they begin to pull my edges. The older they get, the heavier they become. So I love this look. It was very easy, it was very fast. It does require you to be patient because it's a lot of steps, but it's really cute. So I'm gonna get right into the video and see you guys later.
Okay, y'all, so I didn't even realize how loud my fan was in the back. Like, my fan was extremely loud in the back. So instead of talking, I'm doing a voiceover. So, but you'll see my lips moving, so just don't even pay attention to what my lips may look like I'm saying. But anyway, so as you can see, I parted and braided my hair in small plaits, individual plaits, and as you can see, I'm taking the crochet needle. The crochet needle is less than $3, and I'm pushing it through the base of my braid. You never want to braid your hair when doing crochet and when doing soft locks too tight, because you have to put the crochet needle in the base of your hair. You don't want to break your hair off because you don't want it too tight. So as you can see, next I am taking the dread, and it has a little opening. As you can see me showing you guys right here, it has a little opening. So you just stick your fingers through and kind of stretch it. And once you do that, you take it and you put it in the crochet needle. You close the crochet needle and you pull it through the dread. Once doing that, you open it up a little bit, stretch it again so that you can pull the dread and the braid in the loop, as you can see me doing right here. Okay, so after doing that, you just tighten it so you know that it's secure. And I'm just going to show you guys a few more times, just so you guys can see and get a better look, in case my hands or something is in the way, or in case you just need to see it again. So as you guys can see, I have my crochet secured in my braid. And next I'm just going to take my crochet thread and just start to unravel it in the opposite direction of which it's already made. And once I do that, I'm going to take my natural braid and I'm just going to start wrapping it around. I'm going to use the crochet here to wrap the braid, just as if I'm doing a regular faux lock. And it's literally just that simple. I could just wrap in the braid. So next, I'm going to take this free twist braid, spring twist, 12 inches. I paid about $9 for these, and I used about 3 or 4 packs. And I'm going to take these and I'm going to pull one and unravel it and spread the hair out. You'll see me doing these steps later on in the video as you watch the video. And the reason I do that so it can cover the base of my hair a little bit better. And I choose to use this step because you can go without the step, but to secure the dread at the root of the dread and for it to last longer, this step is, it helps. So I wanted to stop talking and just let you guys see me do the wrap.
So as you guys can see, I'm just wrapping it and wrapping it, and it just looks so much better with the spring hair at the base to secure it and just to make it look a little neater and just to make it look cuter, you know. And you don't really need anything like glue or to burn it to secure the spring hair at the base of your hair. You just continue to wrap it until it's no more hair, as you guys can see me doing right here. And next, of course, I'm gonna do my edges because baby, they just need to be done. Like I just can't go outside looking like anything. And I'm using edge boost, of course, because you know that's right now. That's just what it is. That's just what it was given. And period. I gotta get my edges together. Probably gonna go see my man. I'm gonna get my edges right. Get the keenness of what a born net. Period. Oh yep. Come through. Edges right now. I'm looking real rough, but excuse my toothbrush, but she about to get me together. Period. When I tell y'all guys, this hairstyle is so easy. Period. Fake baby is. When I tell y'all this hairstyle is so easy, and you can do this. People always ask me to do their hair, and I just be like, baby, you can do this yourself at home, literally. But yep, I'm just getting my edges together. Gotta make the face so I can see myself. Period. Do the sweeps. And that's just it. The hairstyle is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this detailed tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Press that post notifications button. And I will see you guys in my next video.